how to increase or decrease the VoiceOver Speech Volume on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on VoiceOver. After that, we scroll down and tap on Speech. Then tap on your primary voice. In here, drag on the volume slider bar to the left or to the right to adjust the volume.
Hello, my name is Allison.
Now, if you have VoiceOver turned on,
VoiceOver on, settings, health.
You can access the quick settings
Double tap
by
to open.
quadruple tap on the screen with 2 fingers like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And from here, you can
VoiceOver settings,
scroll down.
heading, Braille output,
So
English,
we can scroll
rows
down.
10 to 24 of 31. Row 17 to 30.
And from here, you can change the speech volume.
Button.
So double tap on that.
Volume, heading,
and then drag on the slider bar.
Adjustable. 59%, 30, 20, 20, 43%,
And
43%.
that is another way how you can adjust the speech volume when you have VoiceOver turned on.
VoiceOver settings.
And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.